Hello everyone, this is Vincent. I am one of the project approvers under Knative Operation Workgroups. Today I'm going to walk you through a demo of Knative operators to see what operator is able to do. Here is the repository I created under my own name. Well, it is called demo Knative operators. To consolidate all the demos I have with the current operator repositories so that you can see under each project, under each operator, what kind of features we support. Today I'm going to walk you through the basic functionalities of Knative Serving Operator. So let's click on this folder. And before running any demos, as it has been documented over here, make sure you set up your own environment. You can either install a kube cluster on your local machine, or you can use an existing cluster provided, could be from any cloud providers. Well, you can find all the tutorials over here. So it's based on this page before you run any demos. Okay, let's go to the demos directly. So click on basic functionalities. Actually, I document all the commands we need to run. So there will be many copy and paste. So bear that with me. Okay, open two terminals over here. And I downloaded my own repositories in this terminal. So we can access all the example files over here. First, let's create a test namespace. As you can see, I call it test serving. So I copy this command and run it over here. Okay. As you can see, this is the namespace created, and then we put it in a environmental variable so we can access the namespace by test underscore namespace. And next, we are going to install the Knative the Knative Serving Operator by this command. We have already released a serving operator at 0.10, which is officially available now. Okay, I see a lot of config maps, deployments, robot names have been installed. So what is the status? So we use this command to verify how the operator is running. Okay, as we can see, there's one pod running, which means we have installed the serving operator. To check the logs, we can directly copy and paste this command, and okay, here's a log. Okay, looks fine. Looks okay. And verify the CRD of the operator, because we installed that operator, installed the serving operator, so we should see CRD is installed as well. So we check over here. Okay. It has been installed as well. Good. Well, speaking of the basic functionalities, there were three, let's say, major features the operator currently supporting. First one is install Knative Serving by creating a custom resource, which means when the custom resource is done, is installed, then it will automatically install the serving. Here's a command to install the CR. As you can see, I put a CR, I put the content of a CR here in this YAML file, which is available in my repository. So here is my local repository, and I can directly run this command. Let me see. Oh no. I need to configure the environment available here as well. Okay. Then that's a CR. Okay, at the same time, can see how the log changes. As we see, it's popping up new logs with new informations, showing that the Knative Serving is being installed. Okay. By the way, we can check the status by checking the verify the installations of Knative Serving Operator and Knative Serving as well. And put a -w in the end of the command. To verify all the paths. Okay, so far so good. We have activator, autoscaler, controller, networking is still webhook. So we have all the folks. Try it one more time. Okay, good. When we install the CR, then the Knative Serving is installed automatically. So the second feature could be when we killed a deployment of Knative Serving component, it will be revived automatically by the operator. So let's first see what kind of deployment we have. Command is over here. Okay. We have 7 of them under the test serving namespace. As we know, the Knative Serving Operator is for the operator. So we can pick one of the others. So let's pick, for example, controller. I'm trying to kill this deployment to see how it goes. Controller. Okay. Okay. Controller has been deleted, but when we come back to see, the status of a controller over here, it was removed once, but then it comes back live again. Yeah, this is also one of the features that the operator supports. So it can automatically revive the deployment of Knative Serving component. So next, how do we remove the Knative Serving components? So CR, as we know, CR controls everything. When we remove the CR, then it will remove the Knative Serving automatically. I put the CR as we see over here in my repo, so we can copy and paste this command as well. Here's my repo, and paste over here, run it. Okay, CR is gone. Let's see the logs as well. And we see all the resources is being removed. And what is the status of the path? Okay. Terminating, I think there should be only one left in the end. That's our expectation. Okay. Activator still being terminated. Wait for a while. Huh. Okay. So we got it. The only the part of serving operator left, which means all the other Knative serving components has been removed. In the end, if you want to remove the Knative Serving Operator, you can do a kubectl delete command to release YAML of Knative Serving Operator. Okay. The pod is gone. No resource left, which means pod has been removed. Operator was removed. Okay. That's the demo of the basic functionality of Knative Serving Operator. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.